Hello, beautiful people. Hope so you all having an amazing day because I'm having an amazing day. Today we are going to cover passing arrays to functions in C++. I know it's very important topic and you people don't want to miss this because it is used quite often. So I advise you people to stay attentive and don't miss any single step. Okay, so let's move towards our program. In order to understand, we are going to perform three examples. The first example in which we will print predefined values from main function into the function definition or called function. However, our second program which we are going to do is the in which we will print function user defined values from the main function into the function definition or called function. And the third program would be a little bit advanced, in which we will print the largest values from or largest value actually from the user defined value using array to function. So let's move towards the Visual Studio and perform the first program. Remove this previous one and enlarge the screen. First of all is the preprocessor directive hash include, and the iostream is the header file which contains input-output function in C++ and the using namespace. System pauses the return statement. Many compilers use the return zero as the return statement. Uh, First of all, we'll initialize an array with the name ARR, and it would be of size. Uh, okay, we will do a little bit different thing today. It's a good programming practice actually. I advise you guys to use such way instead of using this. Here we go. Now also initialize values in the curly brackets. Our values would be 1 to 10. Here we go. Now we will call our function, but before this we will make the function definition. Our function definition name would be, let's say, done, do, dev, done. Okay, here we go. Now make the prototype. We need no parameter. Actually, we need. Our actual parameter would be, let's say, a. And here we need this a. Now let's make a function call to call the function. Our function name is do. Here we go. Pass the parameter. The formal parameter is written in the function call. However, the actual parameters are present in the uh, function call. However, the formal parameters are always present in the function definition. Here we are writing the actual parameters. So here we go. It's there. And now we will make a loop. Twice to 0. And its size would be, let's say, size. Okay, before you should write this way in order to tell that we are passing array into the function. So here we go. There's no error. Now just see out the statement, which is, let's say, now write the array. Our actual parameter is this a, so we have to write this. Now simply run the program. Hope so it clears. Is it? Now let's run. Okay. We will get all these value from 1 to 10. Here we go. You guys can see this. Hoops it. It clears. Now make our second program, which is in which we will print values by asking user instead of initializing by ourselves. The size is already predefined. Now make a loop to ask values from the user. You people know, if you watch my previous tutorial, that how to make array. There's a deep relationship between the loop and the array. Okay, so here we go. The size of array, and we will just so if you forgot this, copy and paste here. So here we go. Error is removed. It's a very short, small change in it. You guys can see. Then it will simply print these value, which we will print here in the program. So let's small the screen and close the previous result. Now let's run the program here. If I write, let's say 1, 99, 98, 97, 96, 95, 94, 93, and 92, and 91. Yes, guys, you can see this. The values are showing up here in the CMD console 1, 99, 98, and up to 91. So here we go. Hope so it clears. I again enlarge the screen so you guys can see if you are still not clear. Um, these are actually very simple program, but with the practice, eventually you will become pro. Uh, so let's move towards our third program to become more clear in our concept. So our third program in which we will print largest value from the user-defined values using array. You people already know that we have printed the user-defined value. Now what we will do, we get the user-defined values. Now from these value we will find the largest value. So what we have to do, we have to modify our program a little bit. These are actually people are seeing that here we are printing the user defined values. We will apply a little condition. What these are, let's see. If your people are watching my previous tutorial, that you people know how to find the largest value, because I made a tutorial on this. Okay, so now apply a condition here in which our, okay, here is our condition. So here we go. Change it to j, change the value here. Okay, if this array value or element is bigger than the user defined, then we will save this value into the other local variable, and in the end this value will show up, the largest value will show up. So let's see, our value is I here. Okay, here we go. I is undefined. So also initialize this to 0. If you want to make a program, you can also make I as a global variable, so it can be accessed in all over the program. So initialize another variable, so this value, so the largest value can be saved up into another variable. So there we go. Now we will simply call this largest one, largest value. We need no return statement because in this function, and we are required not to use any return type here. That's why we are using void, and we also need not to use cout here. Why? Because in this function this is a function with no return type, but it uses parameters or arguments. So here we go, run the program. We will get the largest value. Okay, if we enter like 100, 2, 4, 65, 7, 8, 9, 9 again, and 200, 265 actually. So you people can be in 32. So here we go, 265 is the largest value. I should enlarge the screen so you people can watch it more clearly. Here we go. So this program is printing the largest value using array into the function, passing array into the function. So here we go. You guys can be more clear and can more visible in this concept by practice. Okay, if you like material, don't forget to subscribe my channel. And if you want to test your knowledge of C++ or Java, you have these two apps, C++ Programming Quiz and Java Quiz app. Link of both apps will be in comment section. Like always, thanks for watching. Peace.